course, yes, because you have to reward yourself din, di ba? Pero don't overspend, I think. So, bilhin mo lang yung mga dapat kailangan, buying your needs instead of wants. And then, budgeting helps, monthly budgeting.
Monthly budgeting. O, diba? Yes.
Yeah.
I love it. Ang sobrang cute ng mga KB buddies mo, ate. Lahat sila.
May mga ipon yung mga yan.
Yes.
Very
May
good.
mga ipon talaga sila. Uy, gusto. Ipakita niyo naman kay ate Kat yung beautiful smile ninyo. Ganon.
Sobrang, nakikita ko na almost everyday this month. Pero, yan sila, may mga work din sila. And then, lagi ko sinasabihan na hindi naman kailangan, like, kunwari may event na to, malayo yun ang gastusan pumunta, okay lang to show your support online or whatever, diba? Kasi may ibang priorities din sila. Ang mahal lang pamasahe ngayon, kung saan hindi ako susundan. So, mga masisipag sila, pero mag-iipon din yung mga
Yes. Grabe
Good
yung
example.
ipon nila, ate. I swear. Kasi kanina tinanong ko sila kung may mga businesses pa sila.
Ano daw?
Sabi nila, yes, di ba meron? May mga businesses kayo. Okay, syempre ate, as a businesswoman naman.
For your future. And ngayon na I'm 30, I turned 30, mas lalo kong na-appreciate yung tinuro sa akin ng mom ko. And until now, I continuously learn from my mom. Not just my mom, pero yung ibang nag-mentor din sa akin in a way when it comes to finances. Kasi, diba, sino ba yung may ayaw na secure na future? And I think it's good to start at a very young age para your future self will thank you for that for sure.
Ate, I have to know, personal question, pero I'm sure a lot of us will also learn from this.
Okay.
How old were you when you were like, okay, kailangan ko na talaga maging as in a saver? Kasi minsan, di ba kapag bata pa tayo, medyo tayo masaya, oh my gosh, may
Yeah,
saver
believe ka na to. Tapos siguro, I was aware when I started working at 6. So, syempre, hindi mo pa naman alam yung, you don't think of those things when you're a kid. Siguro medyo nag-start ako nung medyo like grade 6, I would say. Mga ganon. Kasi usually, si mama, bibigyan ako ng allowance. And then, nag-start siya na bibigyan ka ng weekly allowance. And then, kailangan umabot yun from Monday to Friday. So, you can bring your baon or you can bring this to school and then ikaw yung bahala mag-budget kung paano mo pagkakasya yun. So, I think it started from that. Yung parang may sense of responsibility in a way na this your money, ikaw na bahala magpagkasya dyan. Pero kung hindi umabot, then do better next week. So, feeling ko yun yung nakatulong. So, mas naging aware ako kung paano i-handle yung money ko nung medyo college na. And then, every time naman may tanong ako, my mom is there para i-guide ako, saan ba okay invest to, medyo sumasobra ka na, maggastos, ganyan. So now, I make it a point na, for example, my savings, 50% goes to my savings. And then 50% sa lahat ng mga kailangan natin bayaran, tax, everything, all the expenses and all, but dapat secured yung 50% ko. Para in the future, maybe when I have my own family or whatever I want to do, if I want to travel, I get my money from that savings.
Sobrang bongga. Ako kasi dati nung grade school ako, Wednesday pa lang ubos na yung
Minsan, ganyan, tapos matuto ka, oh my God, so gutom ka. ng
Yes.
Thursday, Friday.
Friday, wala na akong baon ate. Pero bongga, you started really young and being very responsible.
Hapon po sa inyo lahat. To all our Banco Marites and Banco Pares, happy Saturday!
Oh my gosh! Punong-puno! Diba? Ang plaza natin for the one and only Catherine Bernardo! Okay. At ikaw, of course, let's take our seats
Okay.
muna. Yes. O diba? Kamustahan with Tita Ayana? Cheers. Okay.
How are you, Ayana?
I'm good, ate. How are you?
Super busy month, but I'm very happy because, itong event na to natuloy din. It's been a year or so, I think, para maging magkatotoo itong ATM card natin. And now it's finally happening. I'm glad we're all here today And yes, happy lang ako today. It's been a good week, especially yesterday was a very, very special day for us. Makichika tayo dyan mamaya. But thank you so much. And yes, marami tayong mag-uusapan.
Yes, marami ate, and we are so excited to learn from you today. But first things first, congratulations on Someone Someday. Guys, napanood yun na, diba? Yes.